If you want to graph the following lines in a rectangular coordinate system and clearly show the intercept of the graph. So let's take a look at X and Y here, Cartesian coordinate system. So this is my Y-axis, this is my X-axis. Okay, the first one is that you have to graph is X. I want to graph X is equal to -2. Now, one of these is the vertical line, the other one is the horizontal line. If you forget which is which, that's all you have to do is to insert 0 for the one that is missing. The first one, Y, is missing. So I'm going to put +0Y next to that. Remember, to graph a line, I need 2 points. So I'm going to make a little chart here. Ask myself, if X is equal to, in this case, if Y is equal to 0, what is X? -2. So I find 1 point already. If Y is equal to 0, X is equal to -2, which my graph kind of passes through this point here. Now, if Y is equal to 1, can somebody tell me what X is? Still -2, right? Because regardless of what I substitute for Y, its coefficient is 0, so X should be equal to always -2. So in this case, if Y is equal to 1, X would be equal to still -2. So quickly you can see all the points would be right on top of each other. So what kind of line is that? Vertical line. So that's a vertical line. So this line here, the graph of this line, so you may want to remember that if Y is missing, that is a vertical line, so that would be X is equal to -2, right? So the line that lies on the Y-axis then must be X equal to 0 then, and so on. This is 0. The second one, Y is equal to 3, I can go ahead and insert 0 for X the same way, and find a couple of points here. Now this time, if X is equal to 0, what would be Y? Would be 3, right? If X is equal to 1 also, still Y would be equal to 3. So if I pick a couple of points here, if X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 3, so this would be, my graph going to passes to this point, and quickly you can see all the points would be right next to each other now this time. So the graph of the next line would be a horizontal line, like that passes through that point. So this would be Y is equal to 3. So if X is missing, remember that horizontal line that passes through that point on the Y-axis. Similarly, the line that lies right on the X-axis would be then Y is equal to 0. On the solution that I posted on YouTube, I was showing you that if I have another line, I will just give you an example. So if I have another line like this and passes through points, let's say -3, the equation of that line must be Y is equal to -3. I was just showing you that's how the line is going to go, right?